Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiralit. I don't know how to spell my name. I can cheat. Actually, I can't cheat. Do you remember you can cheat like this, but you can't now anymore? I'm going over here, and I'm gonna. Oh, this girl's right. I'm gonna choose red. Oh my god. No! What? I'm so stupid. Boom. Anyways, I'm going, I got a taco at least. What's this? I'm so laggy. No, oh my god. What is this? Is so laggy. Oh, there's a lot of goo everywhere. Ow. Kakaraget? What? It's, oh my god. I'm so laggy. I'm literally jumping so slow. Oh my god. I forgot there's this other side. No! Dude, I almost made it. Okay, I suck at obbies now. Anyways. Am I a depressor? Okay, not a depressor. I'm so laggy. Watch out. Oh, that was easy. Pressing the button next. I'm pressing it. Don't slip me. Oh, yeah. A storm? This is pointless. This is just slipping it in water. Actually, knowledge. Okay. I'm clicking. I'm literally in 3rd grade, actually. Guys, I'm actually in 3rd grade because I'm 9 years old. Click! Get out of here. Haha. Knowledge again. Hey! I want to get... I don't even know what 10 times 10 is. Okay, please get out of here. He just got rocketed off. Oh my god, it's so laggy. They're missiles. Missiles, actually. They're not rockets, they're missiles. Oh my god, I got it. No. They look like darts. They look like toy darts. Oh my god. We're literally the figures. We're just dodging the. Oh my god. Look, there's the boy right here throwing darts. You can't see him because, you know, because he wants to kill our toy figures. Like us. Actually, we're not toy figures. The boy's not even throwing the darts. Darts are just boom, pop. Yeah, they're popping off. Oh, someone fell. Let me press the button. Oh, wait. Oh my god, I almost fell. I'm getting out of here. I'm so laggy. I don't want to die. I have so much knowledge. I literally graduated. Now I'm like college, whatever. I'm so laggy. I'm literally so slow. Get over here, girl. Oh, is that ball like like run away? Can I get up? Actually, nah. If you have jump boost, okay. Oh, dad's here. Snow. Oh no. This reminds me of the Epic Mini Games boulder thingy. They're like white. They're like, instead of being rounds, they're like rectangles. How did that hit me? I literally didn't touch it. Reach the top. This guy already reached the top. Cactus wins like every single oh my god. No. You targeted me. Ah. Boom. Wait. Okay, I guess. Oh my god. I didn't even reach the top. Get to the finish line. I'm getting over here. First. I'm first place. Speedrun simulator. Actually, speedrun 4. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm being so annoying right now. Oh, people are gonna just unsubscribe after this. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is happening? This is like really, really weird. Got higher walk speed. 2012. Oh shit, I fell. I fell. Reach the other side. Oh, dang, I'm not lagging. Oh my god. The girl killed me. The girl killed me. The girl killed me. I wonder if anyone in the server has a YouTube channel. I don't know. It's only me. I only have 42 subscribers because I'm not famous. And nobody knows me. And nobody's had made me before. No way. I keep dying. I'm so trash at obbies on mobile. I'm literally popping up in tablet, whatever it's called. What's going on? I'm getting abducted by aliens in the wrong way. Oh, it's a blue UFO. Dude. That was pointless. Get to the finish line. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. No, I just fell. Okay, third time's the charm. Oh my god. I'm too fast. Get out of here. Anyways. Get on the pillars. What? Guys? Hey, you're staying with me. Stay with me, girl. What is going on? How did y'all fail? How is this guy flying? He has a jetpack. Oh, don't. Jetpacks are literally like patched Fortnite. I played Fortnite, but I was a big old noob. Oh. No way. How did I? No. This jumps to the gap. Why is there sticks? What is this? Oh wait, I think they move. Yeah, look at it. It's like pinball. It's like you go. Actually, it's like the thing. You go down. You get whatever you get. 500, 200, whatever. How much you get? There should be the new Gambo. Oh my god, get me out of here. I'm pressing it. Reach to the end. What? Oh yeah, I fell. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Can I like ever reach to the end? Oh my god. No. Because I'm sick. No. Oh. Oh my god. Keep falling. Keep dying. Oh my god. Oh god. Boom. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm gonna reach the end. Oh. Boring. I'm tiny. What the hell is going on? Yeah, I played this game before, so I played this like 5 to 10 times. That's why I have 300 money. So fast. No, like, seriously. Oh my god. Where are these? We're too small. The boulders aren't gonna hit us. Like, close. Hey, can I get out? Can I be big now? Oh my god. Why am I the one small yet then? Like, sir, oh my god. Holy moly, macaroni. Ham getting grilled. What? I'm too small. I can't even jump over the red line. Let's see what's in the shop. Teddy bear is $140. Everything's overpriced. A bomb? A magic carpet? A bomb? Fly forever wherever you want. I think this one is kind of worth $5K. Avoid being grilled. Oh my god. What is this going to end? Okay, watch out. Oh my god. Dude. I just got instant bowling. We bowling. Anyways. I wish I had a microphone, but I don't make too much money off of YouTube. I only get money. Are you kidding me? What is this? color show. Oh wait, it's like that epic mini games is round. It's like, hey, you gotta walk. Look, you're like, yeah, you know what I mean. All of you guys remember. Most of you guys remember that.
No.
If you're colorblind, oh my god, what is it? Anyways, green. Okay. Dude, what is going on? No! Dude, spleef, but you can't do spleefing. What? No, please, no, get out of here. Sorry, Mom. Oh, it's like spleef, but you can't even just make the platforms disappear. Oh my god, this is scary. It's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Pointless. Okay. No. No. I'm gonna die because I'm unlucky. Oh, yes, I won. I won. And now I have nowhere to get out. I have nowhere to get out. I'm literally stuck in a deserted island. Yeah, I survived. I survived. I'm the best. Actually, I'm not the... Reach the end. What? Oh my god. Of course this again. No. Anyways. It's like the girl statue praying. I don't know why I'm saying that, but anyways. Boom. Oh my god, killer just died. Okay, I just died. I'm trash. I'm trash at this. Anyways. No. Why is it not making me turn around? I'm turning around, but it's not making me turn around. Find the correct pad. Oh my god. What is this? Are you kidding me? How are we supposed to know? There's like 50 of them. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, there's no correct pad here. Be the giant noob. My childhood. I'm going to the noob's man. Oh my god, it's taking so long. Oh my god. Come on. What? Okay, get me out of here. I just died. Why did we turn to brown poop? This is just I'm a climb. I kind of like this avatar though. Also, anyways, this thing again? Why? Oh my god, my back is being such a weirdo. Get me out of here. Please. I don't like being small. Being small is not great. You can get squished by someone else. Press the button. Think fast. Are you kidding me? We're so small. How can we think fast? All of us died. No, like seriously, all of us died. Give me a... Watch out. No. Whoa, raiding potatoes. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Oh my god. A laser. I'm gonna... Oh my god. This will take at least 1 second. And I hope. I'm just jumping around like an idiot. Literally. I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes, so I have to end this video. Bye!